Bonjour. Today, we have a special treat in store for you. We're going to dive into the 16 rich and flavorful universe of French cuisine. Get ready to embark on a mouth-watering journey as we present famous French dishes that everyone should try in their lifetime. So, let's jump right in. Our first segment is all about the classics, famous French dishes. These iconic French dishes have stood the test of time and continue to tantalize taste buds across the globe. Number 1. Coq au vin. This rustic dish features tender chicken braised in red wine, with mushrooms and herbs. It's a true delight for the senses. Number 2. Bouillabaisse. Hailing from the coastal region of Provence, Bouillabaisse is a flavorful fish stew bursting with the essence of the sea. It's a seafood lover's dream come true. Number 3. Escargots de Bourgogne. These delectable snails, cooked with garlic, parsley, and butter, might sound adventurous, but they're a true delicacy in French cuisine. Number 4. Ratatouille. Made with a colorful medley of vegetables like eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Ratatouille is a vibrant and comforting dish that celebrates the flavors of the Mediterranean. Now, let's move on to our second segment, where we explore the heavenly world of cheese and bread. The French take immense pride in their diverse cheese offerings, and their crusty baguettes are simply irresistible. Number 5. Croque Monsieur. This grilled ham and cheese sandwich, smothered in bechamel sauce and melted Gruyere, will transport you to the streets of Paris with every bite. Number 6. Quiche Lorraine. Originating from the region of Lorraine, this savory open-faced pastry is filled with a luscious mixture of eggs, cream, bacon, and cheese. It's perfect for brunch or any time of the day. Number 7. Camembert. A soft and creamy cheese with a bloomy rind. Camembert is a true French classic. Pair it with a freshly baked baguette, and you have a match made in culinary heaven. Number 8. Pain au chocolat. Indulge your sweet tooth with this buttery and flaky pastry filled with rich chocolate. It's a breakfast treat that will make your mornings extra special. It's time to satisfy our sweet tooth with some French desserts. Number 9. Crème brûlée. This velvety vanilla custard with a perfectly caramelized sugar crust is a classic French dessert that never fails to impress. Number 10. Macaron. Delicate and colorful, these almond meringue cookies sandwiched with luscious fillings come in a wide variety of flavors. They're as beautiful as they are delicious. Number 11. Tarte tatin. A heavenly caramelized upside-down apple tart that oozes with sticky sweetness. It's a delightful dessert that will have you reaching for seconds. Number 12. Millefeuille. Translated as 1,000 layers, this decadent pastry features delicate puff pastry layered with rich pastry cream and topped with a glossy glaze. It's an elegant dessert fit for special occasions. In our penultimate segment, let's explore the diverse regional delights that France has to offer. Each region boasts its own unique flavors and culinary traditions. Number 13. Choucroute garni. Straight from the Alsace region, this hearty dish features sauerkraut, sausages, and other meats simmered to perfection. It's a satisfying meal that will warm your soul. Number 14. Boeuf bourguignon. A classic from the Burgundy region, this slow-cooked beef stew is bathed in red wine and enriched with a medley of vegetables and herbs. It's comfort food at its finest. Number 15. Cassoulet. Originating from the southwestern region of France, this rich and hearty bean stew is packed with sausages, pork, and duck confit. It's a true taste of the French countryside. Number 16. Soca. Straight from the sunny streets of Nice, Soca is a savory chickpea pancake that is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It's a popular street food that's simply irresistible. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more delectable delights from around the world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of food enthusiasts. We have exciting content lined up just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, life is too short.